there. So I'm at another remodel and some new doors have been installed in a couple of the bedrooms. Now, when you install a door, a lot of times they don't fit in these older homes and you have to trim them up, possibly on the sides or at the bottom of the door. Now, when you cut off the bottom of the door, there's a solid core, a wooden core at the bottom that just kind of solidifies the door together. Now, if you have to trim off too much, you end up cutting out this core and you're supposed to reinstall it. So if you have to trim the door so much, it's only about an inch and a half thick, or wide, tall, at the bottom of the door. And so you trim it, you cut it off, and then you're supposed to reinstall it and glue it back in place. Now what can happen when you don't, if you don't glue that back in place, is the door gets kind of wobbly. There's nothing really to support these panels. This may be hard to see, but I can stick my fingers up there. I can squeeze that. The door is kind of wobbly. Anyhow, what it can lead to is delaminating of this door right here. So you can see there's really nothing supporting that on the bottom of the door. It's just kind of a haste remodel here, installing these doors, and not too bad of a fix, but should be done.